Hi guys. Hi guys. Oh, I need to chill a little bit. My voice is shaky. We just got into court. We had a little bit problem right in front of the parking lot. TV completely died. Right now, Mark Court need to take care of first.
Wait, this must be a bit confusing. Last time we left you, we were in the Sahara, enjoying our time on the dunes, and everything was just fine. Now Tubi is breaking down, and I'm going to court.
Good luck, good luck.
So what the heck happened? Well, to explain, let's rewind.
So almost 5 hours to go, and tomorrow we gotta drive 5 hours more.
Finally, we are leaving Morocco. But before that can happen, first we must take care of a few things. The conversion of Tubi from a low to high top beauty, and then building out an entirely new interior took much longer than we had originally anticipated. And our visas expired long before completing the makeover. Lucy sorted out her visa situation when she returned to Korea to see her grandmother. But I remained in Morocco, and now my overstay has passed the 1-year mark. The Moroccan courts surely won't be too happy about that. But before I can leave, I will have to face a judge. So, we are on the long drive back to Agadir to take care of my illegal status and prep for our eventual departure from Morocco.
남쪽에 있다고? 괴물을? 아 맞네. 소리 질러 괴물. Guys, it's the next morning. It is 2 hours 9 minutes away from Agadir. Wow, this is busy area for sure. Like with little bird nest.
It looks kind of gross up there in Agadir.
We are in high humidity now, right?
I don't know if it's high humidity or if we're just too used to like desert humidity.
Yeah, 10%.
You can see it, the clouds in the air right now, right?
여기다 문 열려있다.
Okay guys, I thought I would come outside and just show you we were in the desert where it was like, I don't know, 10 to 15% humidity. Now we're near the coast, and can you see the water flying through the air? Yeah, one extreme to another extreme. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
맞나?
A little bit lower.
이거는 이미 오픈됐다.
That's yours. Oh, can you write mine too?
Yeah.
That's the face of evil right there.
Yeah. So while we are here, Mark has to go to police station and court for his illegal overstaying. It means you're gonna exit Morocco too.
Yep.
But we didn't tell them where we are gonna go. And
So
we're not gonna tell them right now.
Okay.
Always have a secret.
Alright, yeah, let's do it.
So this campsite owner, he took care of my document well, so we decided to stay here and it took care of it too, right? Yours.
Yeah.
Cross the finger, yours will be easier than mine. Gendarmerie.
Gendarmerie.
Oh, 스피커. 왔다, 여기다. Yeah. Okay guys, we went to Gendarmerie, and the thing is, they asked us to go to other place, like a police station. So we couldn't do it, right? It's quite late, so we have to try tomorrow early morning that, report himself again. that one is done. We have to wait until Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Face the judge.
Yeah. Today Mark will go to court, right? Oh,
That car's
yeah.
going fast. No?
Oh.
She's late for work.
Are you ready to leave?
Not really.
아, 내가 딸린다 하니야.
Okay, wish me luck.
조심해서 갔다 와. Mark is back. 왜?
They said they're not open yet.
우리는 9시 오라고 했는데 not happy Mark. Mark is way up there waiting with other people to get into the court. 어디 있노? 들어갔다. 마크 들어갔다. Okay, Mark is back, but he's not happy. So what happened?
Yeah, I guess there was a massive mix-up on how we were supposed to meet. So the gendarmerie came and couldn't find me and left. And so now we have to come back on Wednesday.
Yeah.
2 days later, we have to come back again. Do this all over again after I was waiting for like 3 hours for them.
Yeah, it's not easy, huh?
Yep.
Second time, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, last time when we went to court, we had a miscommunication and then we couldn't meet the gendarmerie last time. So today we are gonna go to gendarmerie station, should I say station?
Yeah.
Meet him there and then he's gonna escort to the court, so we are not gonna have any miscommunication or miss the court, right?
We hope.
Yeah. We met gendarmerie and we are following him. That guy, that is a gendarmerie. We are following him. Good luck.
Thanks.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Mark is living over there. The gendarmerie. Good. Mark left 1 hour ago. I think it would take a while and really cross the finger that he can meet judge today and then take care of it. So while he's gone, I'm staying in the van and using stealth mode, using only one book light, and so that I'm kind of invisible. So anyways, while he's doing it, I'm gonna edit the video. Hopefully before he come back, I can finish it up for English video. Mark is back. Are you done?
No, not done yet.
What do you mean you're not done yet?
We still have to face the judge tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Today we can finish everything up, really cross the finger again. My voice is shaking a little bit. We just got into court. We had a little bit problem right in front of the parking lot. TV completely died and then other 3 guys helped me to push Tubi. So we parked the car, but right now Mark Court need to take care of first, and then we gotta see what we can do. I think we checked it underneath, it's leaking. So hopefully we can contact with Amen, someone can tow us or something like that. We cannot drive. Yeah, let's see. Take your phone.
Okay.
Okay. And wish you good luck. I'm sorry that you just gotta go there.
Oh, it's leaking. It's the same slave cylinder.
아 그래?
Yeah. Okay, I'll be back.
네, 조심해서 갔다 오세요. 5 minutes ago, I think I was in the shock. Still I have in the shock. I'm gonna wait Mark to finish and hope that judge will be generous with her, with him. Why I say Mark as her. Right now I'm talking with Eamon. I send a message to Eamon that we might need a tow. Yeah, that is. But I'm just organizing in my head. So hopefully everything go well. And until then, I'm gonna wait Mark, and I have to work on the video so that we are not gonna miss the schedule too. All right, that's it.
Hey, Amen.
How are you?
Assalamualaikum. I got some pizza for us.
Assalamualaikum. You don't have a shoes.
I got 2 pizzas, so how much do you want?
Please,
Yeah. I'll do it for you. There you go. The seal that we put in there, it got cut somehow on the inside.
Oh.
It ripped somehow. Not on the outside, it looks fine.
Okay guys, Mark court is filled. We gotta be here tomorrow morning again. Side and Eamon just got in here. It's really dark. I'm just relying on my camping light. So yeah, they tried to figure out what was happening in there, and yeah, hopefully we can take her to the his shop so it can be fixed better, right?
Yeah.
So everything is going well, huh?
So far.
Yeah.
It's a good thing we have friends.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm so happy to see their face, to be honest. Oh my god, they're here!
It's like the knights on white horses.
Yeah.
Really? Alright, awesome. I'm waiting for you. I saved you pizza too. It's good news.
뭔데?
He went to his last possible place that he could go to tonight. He knocked on their door, got them to open the shop back up, and they had exactly 1 left.
Oh my god.
So,
딱 하나 남았대?
yeah, they're on their way right now.
I'm sure this will work
Yeah,
better
yeah.
because you can see the difference.
Yeah, it's nice and tight too.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this over here to make sure that nobody inside.
간다. Bye.
Bye.
그래.
Ask you, please check the. Okay.
Yeah, I will. I will.
No.
Now, okay. Let me check. It's really good. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, let's try it with the.
들어야 돼.
Yeah, before I couldn't even start the car. Yeah, it's perfect. First gear.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Oh my god. Cool. Thank you. شكرا. Okay guys, we're on the road and it's like we are driving really late night. So there's a checkpoint that one gendarmerie he pulled us over. Like we are so shocked because it's not gonna usually not happen to tourists. So like, what did we do wrong? And then we stop and then he just come here and then shake the hands and salam, you know, say hello. That's so funny, right?
Yeah.
But it was nice. It was nice though. Okay, anyways, we are heading back campsite. So everything is sold well and I'm really happy that we can, you know, at least drive TV right now, right?
Yep.
Early in the morning, we are heading to court. It's court number 4 time to visit. Hopefully we can finish today, right?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Hey!
Finished.
Nice. Finally, huh?
Yeah, finally. Anyways,
It's done.
it's done. Okay, let's go.
I will taste every note. Feel so good when you're in my head.
This kind of stuff we can put the 방울토마토. If we did 2, it's okay. 30 dirham. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, 30 dirham.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Shukran.
Bislama.
All right, here you go. Here's your baskets.
항상 이걸 가지고 싶었는데.